Hello, this is Javier from Spotahome, Madrid, and today I'm gonna show you a really nice one-bedroom apartment located in Calle Monteleon, which is located in Malasaña area. It is really close to important places like Chamberí area, Malasaña, Bilbao, Quevedo, so the location is almost perfect. It's very good communicated as well. You have Bilbao metro station, maybe 2 minutes walking from here, and San Bernardo metro station, maybe 2 or 3 minutes as well. So you can go everywhere in the city. And let's start. Okay, this is the main entrance, and from here these are the views. Here we have the living room. Okay, if we continue this way we have the kitchen. Okay, and by this way we have the bedroom. Okay, so I'm gonna start from here. Look, this is the bedroom. As you see, you have a double bed with two bedside tables as well, with some drawers there and lamps. Look, this wardrobe is vintage from the 60s, really nice. I'm gonna open to show you how it is. Look here, for example, you have some shelves in this side as well. You cannot see that you have shelves here, and here you have space for all your clothes. So this wardrobe is almost perfect and pretty nice. Okay, you have a window as well, and from here we have this nice furniture with shelves to save your stuff or your shoes or whatever. And here in the right we have an ensuite bathroom. Look at this. I'm gonna turn on the light, and here's the bathroom. As you see, you have a sink, mirror, hello. This is for dry your towels, of course, the toilet. Here you have some shelves, okay, and of course the bath. Okay, look, this shower, and it's a bath, so you can choose to have a bath or take a shower. This is the window with these views. Okay, and let's continue to the living room. Look, if you want to close the bathroom, you can do it easily. Just close this door and it will be closed. Okay, so let's continue to the kitchen, for example. Okay, here we are in the kitchen. Sorry, it's fully equipped. You have everything you need to cook. Okay, look, these windows with a lot of natural light. It's interior but looks like an exterior apartment. Okay, and let's see, we have a sink, oven, cooker stuff. Here's the big fridge. Look at this. And the freezer here. Okay, here's the dishwasher. Nice. And here you have a wardrobe to save your plates, glasses, cups, and everything. Okay. Here you have some drawers. And right here, look here, you have some space to store your food as well. And here's the living room. This is the dining table with two chairs, but it's a really nice table. You can open it and make it bigger. And look, that built-in wardrobe, extremely big. If we open it, you will see the cleaning products. Here in the left you have the washing machine. Okay, and this is for your clothes or whatever. Okay, let's have a look. Look, this wardrobe, it's amazing. Okay, and finally I'm gonna show you the relaxing part of the house, the living room. I really like it. Look, that couch, you can open it and it will be a bed as well, but it's a couch for 3 people with this little table in the middle. and of course the TV with the TV stands and some shelves to put everything you want. Okay, look, this picture in the wall, really nice, air conditioned unit, and the window that goes outside. As I told you, you have a lot of light. It's interior, but you have a lot of natural light, so it's almost perfect. So let's have a final look. Here you have this nice furniture, wooden furniture as well. So let's have a final look, and it's done. So I hope you like. Remember, it is a 1-bedroom apartment located in Malasaña area. This is Javier from Spotahome, Madrid. See you next time. Bye.